In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Notion widget to your iPad home screen. This is a simple way to make Notion easier to access and more useful in your daily workflow. By placing a widget directly on your home screen, you can open Notion faster and, depending on the widget you choose, jump straight into a specific page or workspace without needing to search through your apps every time. To get started, go to your iPad home screen. Make sure you're on a screen where you have a little open space, because that will make the setup process smoother. Once you're there, press and hold on an empty area of the screen. After a moment, your app icons will begin to move, which means you've entered edit mode. This is the mode that lets you rearrange apps and add widgets. Next, look for the plus button, which appears near the top of the screen, and tap it. This opens the widget gallery, where you can browse widgets from the apps installed on your iPad. In the search bar, type Notion to quickly find the widget you need. When the Notion widget appears, tap it to view the available options. At this point, you'll be able to choose the widget size you want. Different sizes may display different amounts of information or simply fit your layout differently, so pick the one that works best for your home screen setup. If you like a cleaner look, a smaller widget may be ideal. If you want something more visible and easier to tap, a larger one might be better. Once you've selected the size, tap Add Widget. The Notion widget will then appear on your home screen. You can move it around just like an app icon and place it wherever it feels most convenient. Try positioning it somewhere easy to reach, especially if you plan to use it often throughout the day. In some cases, you may also be asked to select the Notion page or workspace shortcut you want the widget to open. If that option appears, choose the page or workspace that makes the most sense for your routine, such as a dashboard, notes page, or task list. When everything looks good, simply tap the widget. It will open Notion quickly and take you directly to the linked destination if one has been set. And that's it. You've successfully added a Notion widget to your iPad home screen, making your most important workspace much faster to access.